Testing 1, 2. Testing 1, 2. Hello, hello, hello. Yee. There's the old tractor. There goes my daughter walking across there. All right. Today I walked out here and I was doing a little picking up, but back here kind of behind everything, I got this bucket sitting here full of water. Well, it ain't full of water, it's half full of water. I noticed that some of these leaves were green. I cut several different limbs and put in here back about 2 months ago. Probably August, I would say. What this is right here is weeping willow. All I did was snipped off some limbs, stuck them in there. That is a lot of roots on a weeping willow. I was just gonna show you guys some of what was growing. I'm not even sure what this is anymore that I cut and stuck in here, but I know I put some crepe myrtles in here. That's some more weeping willow there. I don't know if these crepe myrtles are gonna make it or not. I don't think they will propagate. I was trying to see if they would, and I don't see any growth on any of that. One good way to check to see if something's still alive, now see that is still alive. So it's living in this water, but I don't think it's trying to grow roots. So I don't know. I'm not sure if you can propagate a crepe myrtle. I got my limbs up here tangled up. It won't go down in there. I'm not sure if it'll propagate or not, but I know this weeping willow will. So if you want to propagate some weeping willow, I know it'll grow. I mean, it's got roots growing everywhere. So I'm going to leave them in here, and about February, I'm going to come out here and I'm going to plant these. So I just wanted to make a short, quick video and show you about these weeping willows.